Hello everyone, so if you want to make a full page screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, first of all, open up anything you want to make a screenshot. Now locate your power button right here at the top and your volume down button. Now tap on them simultaneously. The screenshot was made, and here we can press this little icon to make a scrolling screenshot. So to find ours, to keep on making your scrolling screenshot, let's open up our gallery, and as you see, like a vast part of the page was screenshotted. So in fact, you can do this infinite amount of times. So once again, let's press on our screenshot, and I'll simply press down, keep on pressing down and down and down, and we can check our screenshot. Let's open up a gallery, of course. And as you see, the screenshot is kind of huge, so that's how it works. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.